Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. I am Nur Amri bin Anwar, student from OUM Melaka in Bachelor of Manufacturing Management. So, in order to complete my assignment for manufacturing management strategy, I have to be a consultant and start up a new manufacturing plan for producing the instant noodle. As a consultant, tasks are required is to provide advice on all options available and to suggest suitable manufacturing option for the company based on the affordability, applicability, and requirement. So here, four key points to strictly follow is a quality product, quantity of production, delivery time, and cost of product in order to succeed our new manufacturing plans. Benchmark. Benchmark is an external focus on internal activities, function, or operations in order to achieve continuous improvement. Here we have a lot of benchmark. One of it is strategy benchmark, performance benchmark, process benchmark, functional benchmark, internal benchmark, external benchmark, and international benchmark. So we go to benchmark of operation process based on Nestle Maggi instant noodle manufacturing plant in India. As you can have a look here, this is a photo that show they have a 13 process from beginning until end of the process. For the first process is mixing, then the second process is forming noodle bed, rolling, and next is a slitting, and the streaming, deep batch, molding, fresh fryer, cooling, weight checker with a metal detector, packaging, and weight checker and tester. So production system. Production is a thing to be proceed follow through a series of steps or operation that square measure common to most different mechanisms being proceeded. Seeing massive volume of turnout are expected, especially design instrumentality and which square measure usually used to lower production price is achieved. Often the task handled by employees square measure divide into the comparatively tiny segment that may be quickly done and with efficiency performance. If we can look here, continuous production is normally to use in the huge industry, especially food industry and fuel industry. So I will suggest the suitable production system in new manufacturing plant for instant noodle is a continuous system. Why? Because its feature of continuous production system is a flow of production is continuous and not intermittent. Product are standardized. Then product are produced as per quality standard. Product are produced in anticipation of demands. Then the last one is standardized routine sheet and schedule as prepared. Effective manufacturing process for this noodle manufacturing plant. So the first process is mixing raw material, which is mixing ingredient other than flour are pre-dissolved in water and stored at 20 to 30 degrees while salt water can be prepared separately. Then go to next process is the sheeting, which is the crumbly dough is compressed to form continuous dough sheet, which is folded to compounded and passed through subsequent roll. The sheeting process is intended to achieve a smooth dough sheet with desired thickness and continuous and uniform gelatin matrix in dough sheet. Next process is the cutting, slitting, and waving. The dog shit is cut into noodle stand of desired width with a slither. The width and shape of noodle strand are determined by cutting roll. And we go to the next process, which is steaming and molding. In this process, the cut and wavy noodle strands are conveyed to a steam chamber to cook them by exposing to a temperature of 100 degrees for 1 to 5 minutes. The degrees of cooking during steaming is critical and depend on the original moisture content of noodle, amount, pressure and temperature of steam and steaming time. Once complete, the next process is frying and drying. This process is to basket filled with noodle block are immersed in hot oil for deep frying. Dehydration of the interior surface drives water to migrate from the interior to exterior of the noodle strands. Eventually, some of the water in the noodle is swapped by oil. Once it's completed, the noodle goes to packaging process. So in order to make sure our production is running in good condition, we have to measuring performance tool in manufacturing system. What is the manufacturing system measurement? Is a performance measure framework and process of collecting, analyzing and reporting performance information. Performance measurement is that the method of collecting, analyzing and reporting performance data. Measurement from the workplace, square measure, analyze and result are ruled to higher level to see system performance. Performance measurement metric to fulfill the needed for balance measurement. Strategic management and reporting technique is to improve the performance measurement over the additional measure. Performance prism is to spot all the stakeholders and endeavor to deliver acceptable price to them. Conclusion. So noodle area unit, the staple food in Asian countries like China, Japan, Korea and become one of favorite food in Malaysia. Consequently, the domestically most we like preserved and alkaline noodles are studied extensively by the researchers. Instant noodles are currently the most important convenient food preferred by consumers globally due to their excellent flavor, convenience, and easy preparation. Color texture, preparation quality, and oil uptake largely influence the acceptability of the noodle. Artification of instant noodle with essential micronutrients like vitamin, mineral, fiber, and other flaws that enhance their biological process attribute will be targeted to make sure higher nutrition to the fore. And lastly, therefore, instant noodle industry has a bright and competitive future. By conducting continuous performance assessment and good management performance, it will be provide added value to make the industry grow, succeed, and one of the world leading manufacturer of instant noodle.